Activity 7. Key features of a parabola. This activity is part of Unit 3, quadratic relations of the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. In this lesson, we're going to explore how to identify the features of a graph of a parabola by studying the following two graphs. Here's example 1. Example 1 is a quadratic function, or quadratic expression. Y equals x squared minus 4x minus 5. This is the graph it produces. As you can see here, the point at the bottom is called the vertex. The vertex is located at the point 2 minus 9. The x is 2, and it's at y equals negative 9. You can also notice that the dashed vertical line that cuts the parabola into two equal pieces, passing through its vertex, is called the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry runs along the line identified as x equals 2. All along this line, x is equal to 2. It cuts through the x-axis at positive 2. X-intercepts. Y equals x squared minus 4x minus 5. Here's the graph again. Let's look at the x-intercepts. We have the vertex located here at 2, negative 9. Our axis of symmetry which is a line that is identified as x equals 2. Now the x-intercepts on the graph, also called the zeros, are the points of the parabola that intersect with the x-axis. In other words, points where the graph crosses the x-axis. Here's the first one. Here's another. In other words, it will be the points that are on the x-axis. When we refer to the x-intercept, we only need to address the x-coordinate because the point, the x-intercept, can be identified when the y-coordinate is 0. So here, the x-intercept is at negative 1. Here, it's at 5. Notice that the second coordinate on both of them are 0. That's because y is equal to 0 at the x-axis. Our x-intercepts are negative 1 and 5. If you had to identify these by looking at the table of values, you would look for the points that contain the y value of 0.